Hello. Today we're going to be talking about translations, and the translations are the next version of a transformation that we're going to talk about. A translation is simply taking a figure and moving all of the points the same amount in the same direction. So you can see that transformations can be symbolized by writing x comma y translates to x plus a comma y plus b. So we're going to add some number to x, so we're going to slide them all over the same amount, right or left, a units. Then we're going to slide them all up or down, b units. Feel free to pause the video to add this to your notes now. So here we have an example. We have triangle ABC, and it has the points A at 5 comma 5, which 5 comma negative 5, which is right there. B at 4 comma 0, and C at 1 comma negative 2. And so there's my triangle, my original image. And what we're going to do is translate it 3 units left and 5 units up. So left 3, up 5. We're going to graph the figure, check, already done, and its image. So if I take the ordered pair 5, negative 5, A, and I take it 5 units left, or excuse me, 3 units left, 1, 2, 3, and I want to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my A, and I'll refer to it as the image of A, so that A with that little apostrophe there. B, I count over by 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it is, and there's the image of B. And I'll do the same thing for C. So count over 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's the image of C. And we connect that up. And there is the translation of ABC, 3 units left, 5 units up. Notice that they are the same size and same shape, so they are indeed congruent. So the next question is this a translation? And so did we basically take this parallelogram and move it either up, down, left, right, diagonal, however we needed to do it? And the answer here is no, because this also involved a turn. So no, this is not a translation. This is a rotation. And we are done.